Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Randy in Arizona. Randy, we got it ready to go for you, bud. Tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade. Stryker 955. That puts us down to, let's see, one left on the shelf. We got several 655s. And out of 447s. So if you want a 955, there's only one more after this video. So Randy, let's get right to it. RF power all the way down. 50 watt slug. We put you about 2 watts all the way down. Now Randy, that's just so if you decide to run an amplifier, you have full adjustability. There's 18-20 watts all the way up, which this radio will run all day long at that. If you want to run at 10 watts, whatever. Show you average power swing. Low 50 bird plus average. 100 watt slug in PEP. Low 100 watts on the money. Alright Randy, it's ready to come to you. I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bon bon.